At the beginning, Carl Friedrich Rapp had the idea to open a plant for the production of aircraft engines. He starts looking for investors. Then he meets Franz Joseph Popp, who becomes the co-founder and later the first CEO of BMW. The company produced aircraft engines prior to the Treaty of Versailles. A frustrated Franz comes up with the idea to build motorcycles. Thus began a new phase in the history of BMW. The company becomes a popular manufacturer of cars and motorcycles. But then, war happens again.
BMW
He rebuilds the mine facilities to the military direction. The post-war period of the company was not the easiest, but despite all the difficulties and limitations,
BMW
it was reborn as one of the leading automakers in Europe.